Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about this laptop setting guys, and in this video friends I will show you guys how to install apps, software, application on laptop. So friends, you want to install any app on your laptop and has your PC, so how to install app. So this is guys Windows 11 laptop, and today friends we will talk about how to install app on Windows 11 laptop and PC guys. First guys, click on start button on your laptop. Friends, click on setting, laptop setting guys. We will on. After on laptop setting, you can see this type of interface on your Windows 11 laptop and PC. So friends, left side guys, click on app setting. App setting guys, click here. After on app setting, app and feature setting, we will click here and guys scroll it. So which app guys you want to install guys, you can install guys here guys. There are many apps. Which app guys you want to install, you can install. Example guys, if I talk about this app, so right side guys, three dot. So right side, click on three dots and guys you can install this app. And guys you have guys here MB, then guys you can install, and guys you have KB, so friends you cannot install. So guys now let's see guys this 559 KB. So guys I cannot install guys this app on my laptop. So guys which is MB, and guys you have guys install option, that's guys you can install only, otherwise guys you cannot install any app on your. As guys I can install this app, but guys I cannot install this app. Friends, you can see I cannot install. So this is guys your system operating system app, so we cannot install it. So only guys which app guys you have install option here, you can install, otherwise guys you cannot install. So like that guys we can install app. So how to install? So guys I will select guys first any app, this app guys, and this app guys I will install. Three dot, click here, install app, click here, install. And friends, this type interface you will find here. So enter your password, okay, and your app will install. So like that we can install app on our Windows 11 laptop and PC guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.